What is economics? Economics is the study of how people and society choose to employ scarce resources that could have alternative uses in order to produce various commodities and to distribute them for consumption now or in future. What is engineering economics? The application of economic principles to engineering problems, for example, in comparative cost of two alternative capital project or in determining the optimum engineering course from the cost aspects. Why do we need to know about this? Why we need engineering economics? There are some of the reasons behind it. Everyone knows that economy has a lot of importance in civil engineering. Economics is required for to know the profit loss ratio. In that case, this engineering economics plays important role. Let us see this. Optimal cost effectiveness. Next, alternative possibilities. What do we need to know? Time value of money, estimation of cash flow, quantitative measurement of profitability, systematic comparison of alternatives. We know that what are the cost is there for construction purpose, what kind of cash flow is there. It means how many amount is required step by step construction of project. In that case we require this engineering economics. Systematic comparison of alternatives means if any another parties are there, third person are there, from that we require lot of material for construction point of view. In that case we come to know that what are the comparison is there and what are the we get the better quality material within that you can say that time value of money. Why does money have time value? The owner of the money must defer its use. Thus, the person using the money must pay for deferring the benefits. An alternative use of the money could have generate benefits, for example, interest. Cash flow diagram. Cash flow diagram is adopted to show the cash flow for a project over time. Let us see in this diagram. In this diagram, they are just mentioned the cash flow, how it is. Let us consider this are the x-axis. Along x-axis, they are just mentioned that time in year. On this axis, they are just mentioned that cash flow in $1 million. Let us see this example from 0 year to 4th year. What are the expansion is there? What are the cash flow is there? What are the amount required for such project? Let us see for 0. There is a this kind of expenditure is there for first year, second year, third year, fourth year. These are the nothing but these are the cash flow for a project. Some of the important terms are there in engineering economics. Let us see the operating cost. These are incurred with every unit of production and do not include capital items. Let us see direct cost. The cost which is required for materials, labor, utilities, supplies, waste treatment, etc. This is nothing but the direct cost. Fixed cost, or we mentioned that indirect cost, land taxes, insurance, plant administration, etc. These are the related with this indirect cost. General expenses, corporation, sales and marketing, research and development, etc. are the general expenses. Let us see an example. this operating cost, if direct cost is there, in that case actually what happen, in that case we have to see the what are the comparative statements are there, and how they are just mentioned diagram. In diagram, material stream is there. As the production cost, production is increasing, in that case material stream is there from the side, means as material you can the cost required for the material is increases, as per the production also increases, as a labor required for a particular construction project, in that case production also increases. Means in this case, in direct cost, actually what happen, these are continuously changes or continuously required as per the production. But actually what happen in different case, if production rate is there, for fixed cost and general expenses, in that case this, as the production cost is going increase, production is increase, in that case as per the production, this fixed cost and general expenses remains constant. This is constant line. Thank you.